Alright, so slight change of plans. I decided I'm gonna take the bed off all in one piece. So because I got a lot of stubborn bolts, so I think it would be much easier taking it all off in one piece, the 8 bolts. And yeah, probably just gonna grind the bolts off because they're really stubborn, and then just get new bolts when I put it back on. But so today I'm going to get this tractor ready for the winter and put the plow on and the chains and the weight. So yeah, I'll do that. Alright. So I had a oil leak and I was trying to see where it was coming from. I think the oil gasket on the bottom of the engine is worn, so maybe in the summer I'll have to place that. This on there. Alright, now for the chains and weight. Yeah, these chains are John Deere too. Yeah, they're good. They're good chains. And this weight, I put this weight behind the seat. Yeah. So alright, put them on. Alright, plow's almost on. And just got a package in the mail. I ordered this not too long ago. It's already here from Amazon, and now I got it. New air filter for the tractor. So that'll definitely make an improvement. My other one was all dirty, so that's good that this is here now. LED light on. Chains are on. And weight's on. The difference. That is really dirty. And this part is reusable. And then you just put it on here. So let's see how it goes in there. Alright, that's all for now. Thanks for watching.